Classic games and creative toys are timeless fun for family bonding. Family games and creative toys have remained beloved staples across generations, offering more than just entertainment. They create opportunities for connection, learning, and shared memories. These types of products, from strategy board games to modeling compounds, share common traits that make them enduring favorites: simple yet engaging mechanics, durable designs for repeated use, and universal appeal that bridges age gaps. Well-designed family games often feature intuitive rules that kids can grasp quickly, while retaining enough depth to keep adults engaged. The best ones balance competition with cooperation, encouraging problem-solving skills and friendly interaction. Creative toys like modeling compounds, meanwhile, foster imagination and fine motor development through hands-on play, with non-toxic materials ensuring safe exploration. Manufacturers of these timeless products increasingly incorporate modern conveniences like compact storage, quick play options, and exclusive editions that add fresh twists to classic formulas. Whether for holiday gatherings, rainy afternoons, or screen-free bonding time, these categories of toys and games continue to deliver value through their versatility, educational benefits, and ability to bring people together. Their enduring popularity proves that in an age of digital entertainment, tactile, interactive play remains irreplaceable for family connections and childhood development. Let's dive in and explore products. So number 1 is Play-Doh Modeling Compound, 10-pack, non-toxic, creative fun for kids, Amazon exclusive. Let's explore it. This Amazon exclusive Play-Doh 10-pack offers endless creative possibilities for children, with its vibrant colors and safe, non-toxic formula. Each 2-ounce can contain soft, pliable modeling compound that's easy for little hands to shape and mold. The set includes classic colors like red, blue, green, and yellow, along with unique shades to inspire imaginative play. Parents appreciate the resealable containers that help keep the dough fresh between uses, with many reviewers noting the clay remains soft for weeks when properly stored. Manufacturer specifications confirm the formula meets stringent safety standards, making it suitable for children ages 2 and up. The dough's smooth texture and bright colors encourage sensory development and artistic expression. Teachers frequently mention using this particular set in classrooms due to its reliable quality and generous color variety. For parents seeking an affordable, reusable creative activity that promotes fine motor skills, this Play-Doh 10-pack delivers consistent performance and hours of entertainment value. If check its FAQs. Question 1. Is this Play-Doh set gluten-free? Answer: yes, the manufacturer confirms this modeling compound is gluten-free and meets all current safety standards for children's products. Question 2. How long does the dough stay soft if left out? Answer: when exposed to air, the compound typically begins drying within 1 to 2 hours, but can be revived with a few drops of water if slightly hardened. The second game is UNO Card Game, Amazon exclusive, collectible tin edition, for family game nights. Let's explore it. This Amazon exclusive, UNO card game comes in a special collectible tin that makes it perfect for both play and display. The classic matching card game includes 112 cards featuring the traditional numbered and action cards that have made UNO a beloved family game for generations. The durable metal storage tin helps protect the cards from damage and keeps them organized, a feature parents particularly appreciate according to product reviews. Gameplay remains true to the original UNO rules, where players race to empty their hands by matching colors or numbers, with special action cards adding strategic twists. Manufacturer details highlight that this edition includes all the classic draw 2, skip, and wild cards that create UNO's signature unpredictable fun. The cards themselves feature a glossy finish that resists wear from frequent shuffling and handling. Many customer reviews mention this set becoming their go-to version for family game nights due to the tin's portability and the cards' durability. For families looking to add a timeless game to their collection or replace a worn-out deck, this UNO tin edition offers lasting quality and nostalgic entertainment value. If check its FAQs. Question 1. Is this UNO set different from the standard version? Answer: the gameplay is identical to classic UNO, but this Amazon exclusive version comes in a collectible metal tin rather than cardboard packaging. Question 2. How many players can participate in one game? Answer: the game supports 2 to 10 players, making it ideal for both small family gatherings and larger groups. The third game is Monopoly, Quick Playing Edition, Amazon exclusive holiday version, for family game nights. Let's explore it. This special Amazon exclusive Monopoly edition offers all the classic property trading fun in a faster, streamlined format perfect for holiday gatherings. The quick play version condenses traditional Monopoly gameplay into about 60 minutes through modified rules that maintain the core experience while eliminating lengthy sessions. Festive Christmas-themed tokens like a snowman and gift box add seasonal charm to the classic board game. Manufacturer details highlight several time-saving adjustments. Properties are pre-dealt to players at the start. The board features fewer spaces, and bonus rewards speed up cash flow. The set includes all standard components, money, cards, and houses, with quality cardstock and durable plastic pieces that withstand frequent play. Many customer reviews praise this version for making Monopoly accessible for younger players and time-crunched families, while preserving the game's strategic elements. The compact size makes it ideal for travel, or as a Christmas stocking stuffer. For families wanting to enjoy the Monopoly experience without a multi-hour commitment, this quick play holiday edition delivers the perfect balance of tradition and convenience. If check its FAQs. Question 1. How does the quick play version differ from classic Monopoly? Answer. It features a smaller board, pre-dealt properties, and modified rules to complete games in about half the time, while keeping core gameplay mechanics. Question 2. Are the Christmas-themed pieces only available in this edition? Answer. Yes, the holiday tokens like the snowman and gift box are exclusive to this seasonal version of the quick play Monopoly. The last game of this video is Connect 4 Strategy Board Game, Amazon exclusive edition for family game nights. Let's explore it. This Amazon exclusive Connect 4 game brings the classic vertical strategy challenge to your family game collection with special added value. The set includes the traditional 42-piece grid with red and yellow discs, plus bonus strategy cards that offer new ways to play. For experienced competitors, the sturdy plastic frame stands up to repeated gameplay, with a smooth disc dropping mechanism that reviewers praise for its reliability compared to older versions. Manufacturer specifications highlight the game's compact size, making it easy to store while providing a full-size playing experience. The bright, high-contrast colors maintain visibility during competitive matches, and the quick-release lever at the base allows for instant game resets. Many customer reviews mention this edition becoming a family favorite due to its perfect balance of simple rules and deep strategic possibilities that engage both kids and adults. For families looking to add a timeless two-player game that develops critical thinking skills while delivering fast-paced fun, this Connect 4 Amazon exclusive version offers lasting quality with its reinforced construction and bonus gameplay variants. The included instruction booklet explains both classic and advanced rules, allowing the game to grow with players' skills. If check its FAQs. Question 1. What makes this Amazon exclusive version different? Answer. This edition includes special strategy cards that introduce new gameplay variants while maintaining the classic Connect 4 experience. Question 2. Is the frame sturdy enough for enthusiastic play? Answer. Yes, manufacturer testing confirms the reinforced plastic base withstands vigorous disc dropping without tipping, as noted in multiple customer reviews. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Our video for today ends here. If you like any product, links of all products are given in the description for your convenience. Go to the description and order your favorite product. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the best upcoming videos.